Guys, today we're going to make something absolutely al bacio again. I'm going to make a beef heart tagliata. It's quite super easy and super tasty. You can just follow this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. What we need, of course, ask your butcher some beef heart. This is one piece of beef heart. I ask at the butcher, you know. Some garlic and rosemary to cook the heart. I'm gonna use some red onion, sesame seeds, some chili, balsamic glaze, rocket, salt and pepper, and some parmesan. Okay? And we start. I'm gonna cut the heart, but if you cannot do that, ask your butcher. I'm gonna make flat. You know? Take your knife, the hand on the top here, and we're gonna try to make flat, because I want gonna cook the same, you know. I want like a steak, you know, a little bit from here. You see? Maybe like this, you know. I want something like this, you know. It's one finger, like that, like steak, you know? Do some cut on the side, because we don't want to gonna do like this, you know? Like this, and then like this, like this, and like this, okay? So, how much you like, eh? And pepper. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends if you can, subscribe on channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Massage. Other side again. Now some olive oil, and we go in. 3.5 minutes per side. Add some flavor, some rosemary. Okay, guys, this is 3.5 minutes. I flipped it. I had a little bit of a butter because it was a little bit too dry. Try to flatten it a little bit. We leave the same from other side. Oh yeah. If you like, of course, if you like, add some chili and give it that taste. See you when it's ready. Okay, guys, I think it's done for me. I turn it off. I put in the plate just to rest a little bit, and I'm gonna start to build the tagliata. I'm gonna take a nice white plate. I start with the rocket. I put some rocket. It's already washed. Some red onion on the bottom. Some salt, some pepper, a touch of olive oil, some chili if you like, parmesan like this. Parmesan works very well. A little touch of sesame seeds, and now we're gonna add the heart. I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut enough like that. Okay. Beautiful, okay? Beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic. Some onion, raw onion, guys, is very, very, very good. Some chili if you like again. Sesame seeds on the top. Again, 2 pieces of parmesan, touch of olive oil on the top, the glaze of balsamic vinegar, and this is my art tagliata, absolutely beautiful. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!